Introducing Deriv P2P, our peer-to-peer deposit and withdrawal service. With Deriv P2P, you can use your local currency to get US dollars in and out of your Deriv account easily by exchanging money with Deriv traders. So, what are the advantages of using Deriv P2P? This secure and quick transfer service ensures that lack of payment options doesn't get in the way of you seizing market opportunities. Deriv P2P is also really easy to use. Your transaction will be completed in minutes and you'll be updated on every step. Plus, you can use the built-in chat to connect with your seller or buyer. The best part? Deriv P2P allows you to control everything right from selecting a verified P2P user of your choice to the price you want to pay for a transaction. So, how does Deriv P2P work? As a P2P user, you can post or respond to ads to make deposits and withdrawals in and out of your Deriv account. To buy USD from a fellow trader, just post a buy ad or respond to a sell ad on the platform. The funds will be credited to you once you confirm the payment. To sell US dollars, you can post a sell ad or respond to a fellow trader's buy ad. The trader will pay you in your local currency, and the US dollars will be transferred to their account. Here's how you can register on Deriv P2P to start buying or selling US dollars. Go to your Real Accounts cashier. Select the Deriv P2P tab and then My Ads. Next, enter your nickname. Upload your proof of identity. And create your profile with the payment and contact information. And that's it! You're a Deriv P2P user in less than an hour. You can download Deriv P2P from the App Store, Google Play and Huawei App Gallery. Find more blogs and videos about trading and Deriv services in our academy, all on www.deriv.com/academy.